Now you can purify the air in your home like nature's thunderstorm. Do you have one of those big, noisy air purifiers that require constant, costly filter replacement? Now you can get the new, small, high-tech Eden Pure OxyLeaf 2 Thunderstorm Air Purifier that runs almost silent and requires no filter replacement. And it will destroy 10 times more pollution than those big, noisy air purifiers. All you do is plug the Thunderstorm into any electrical socket and forget about it. Instead of bringing air into the unit to filter it, the Thunderstorm shoots out high-power super oxygen missiles that destroy nearly 100% of air pollution. This is the way nature cleans the air with thunderstorms. And your air will smell great, just like after a thunderstorm. The air pollution can't hide. It even destroys air pollution that gets embedded in fabrics and on hard surfaces. The Thunderstorm destroys all odors. If you have pet urination odors and cigarette smoke odors, they will be completely gone in a matter of hours. The Thunderstorm also destroys smoke, allergens, germs, toxins, and deadly black mold. Indoor air does not have negative ions, which are needed for brain health. This makes you depressed. Like the outdoors, the Thunderstorm puts negative ions in the air, which provides better brain function and memory and makes you happy and more energetic. You can also use Thunderstorm in your car or truck to remove deadly fumes from traffic. Right now, you can get a major rebate on the Eden Pure OxyLeaf 2 Thunderstorm. Just log on to EdenPure.com and enter offer code OXY10 or call 1-800-360-1070. That's EdenPure.com or 1-800-360-1070.